Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing very well. Okay student, I know you will listen my last lecture which is about the continent. Now I told you the continent Asia. Students, I told you in the last lecture that we are living the Pakistan, and the Pakistan is in continent of Asia. Now I told you some of the very interesting fact files of Asia. Okay students, have a see this. Asia is the largest and most populous continent, and it is the 5 times larger than Australia, and more than 4 billion people live in this continent, which is 60% of the current population. So you see here, the Asia continent is 5 times larger than the Australian continent, and more than 4 billion people live in this continent, means 60% of the current population of the world is living in a continent of Asia. The land area occupied by Asia is about 8.6 meter, and the total earth surface, or 29% of the land area, means the land area which is 8.6% in Asia and 29% of whole land of the earth. The number third fact file is a very interesting. The Mount Everest, the world highest mountain, is in Asia, means which we are living in that continents have a very highest world highest mountain, Mount Everest. Asia is rich in natural resources such as coal, petroleum, forest, fish, water, copper, and silver. Students, I know you like the fish and the very natural resource. Asia is very rich about the natural source, and one of your favorite food, fish, is also available in the continent of Asia. On the very next page, see, world coal consumption is about 6.2 billion tons. More than half is provided by the Asia, means the coal which is used to make electricity, which is used to generate the electricity, its consumption is provided by the Asia. Because of the extreme of the weather, Asia has a wide variety of flora and fauna. Flora denotes all the plants, whereas fauna stand for all the animals group. Students, you know, in our Pakistan we have in 4 seasons: summer, autumn, winter, and spring. So that's Asia is a very rich about the weather. So we have now two main varieties, flora and fauna. Asia is comprised of approximately 50 countries, means 50 countries are here in the Asia, like in the Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, China, etc. And it has an area of 49,694,700 kilometer per square. Asia includes a large number of islands, including some of the world's largest islands such as Brunei and Sumatra. So you know what is the Iceland? Iceland is the area which is full covered by the ice. Like if you visit a Murray, you see Murray having a very snow falling, which that's the area is Iceland. The world's major religion like Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Sikhism, and Hinduism emerged in the Asia, means the five largest religions is also emerged in the Asia. Now come on the next topic, religion. Almost all the major and many minor religions begins in Asia: Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Hinduism, Sikhism, Shintoism, and Taoism. China began in Asia. You know what is the Shinto and Taoism? Shinto and Taoism means there is a no god. They don't believe any god like we are the Muslim, and we believe on one of Allah. So that's the Chinese not believe on any Allah. Students, next, the language. Asia is the home of several languages. Most Asian countries have more than one language that is natively spoken. For instance, more than 600 languages are spoken in Indonesia, 415 in India, and more than 100 in Philippines. Means the Asia continent having several of the language. The most languages used in Indonesia, which is 600, India 415, and Philippines is 100. Nobel Prize winner are also available in our Asia. A lot of Asian have won Nobel Prize for their achievement in their respective field. Among the Rabindranath Tagore was the first Asian to win Nobel Prize in 1913. Among other, Mother Teresa, Yasser Arafat, and Dr. Abdul Salam are also win the Nobel Prize. Agriculture in Asia, almost 90% of the world's total supply of rice is produced. For most of the Asian, rice is the staple food crop. I know students, you like the rice, and Asia continent is having a very wide variety of rice, and Asia is supplying 90% of world rice demand. Wildlife, a wildlife, as we already told you before, wildlife is the animals which live in a forest. A wide variety of wildlife is present in the world. Some of the animals are found only in Asia, like panda, China, Komodo dragon, Indonesia, gavel, India, and organoids, Bruno and Sumatra. So students, I told you what is the Asia continent having a most amazing things. I hope you understand well and read this again and again. So if you have any questions, then let me know, so we will clarify your questions and ambiguities. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Allah Hafiz.